Password verification. To use password, press the message 1 to 1, 1 to N on the LCD screen and insert your user ID. Now, press the password icon. Insert your password by pressing the keypad on the screen. If the password matches the user ID, the screen will display verified and you will hear verified.
Verified.
If you input the wrong password for the user ID, the screen will display error password and you will hear incorrect password.
Incorrect.